You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this ingredient. This is the name of a soft cheese used in the cuisines of India, Nepal, Pakistan. It's made with dried whole milk, pronounced Khoa. Now, sometimes the spelling is a bit different, so it's sometimes pronounced as Khoya as well, but usually you add a Y between the O and the A in the spelling, Khoya. But if it's this specific spelling, there are different ways depending on the local customs. Khoa, this pronunciation here is Khoa. If you're looking at how to pronounce this name, how to pronounce Khoa. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.